Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So I know there are some pretty big changes happening at the moment. For example, I changed my channel name. If you're new here, I was previously Vanessa Wolf. Right now I'm going as Vanessa Nicole Makeup because even though I love wolves and wolves are my thing and I believe they represent wisdom and strength and leadership, I wanted to take, I guess, a more direct approach, if that makes sense. I'm interested in makeup. My channel is all about makeup and I wanted my name to reflect that. I know that Vanessa Wolf sounds cool and all, but it doesn't get to the point, you know? You hear Vanessa Wolf and you're like, okay, what does she do? I wanted my channel name to reflect what I do. I do makeup. So, Vanessa Nicole Makeup. Nicole is my middle name. I also changed my Instagram name. It's also at Vanessa Nicole Makeup, so be sure to check that out. And I wanted these changes to, of course, be reflected in the intro. And also, I just feel like 2019 has big things coming, and we gotta start now, honestly. You don't have to wait till January 1st. Also, which hat do you guys like better? This one's so cute. I think both of these are from Lowe's. Like, I know this one for sure is from Lowe's. This one, it might be from Lowe's. I'm not sure. This was like $4. I got this like 1 or 2 years ago, so I don't even remember how much it was, but I'm sure it was more expensive than this one. I don't know, which one do you guys like? She has a little crown, she cute or whatever. Now let's see this one. This one actually looks really nice with my hair color. That's adorable. I have no life. All right, look how cute. Oh, and look at my
oh my god.
Look at my cute Santa pajamas. I got these at Walmart. It's just Santa with glasses on and what is this called, headphones, and it says ho ho ho, you know, living the whole life. Anyways, let me stop wasting you guys' time. If you guys want to see how to get this super easy holiday glam, make sure you keep on watching. So this is my second time filming this video. The first time I was in such a bad mood. I don't even know why I forced myself to film, and like you could just see that energy radiating through the screen, and it was bad. Like, even my makeup came out trash because I kept trying to force myself and I should have let it go. Today I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette and I'm going to be going into Burnt Orange. Where is it? Right here is my transition shade. So next up, I'm gonna go into this Sienna. Well, the shade is called Sienna. It looks sort of, I don't know, it reminds me of coffee. And we're gonna be applying that sort of like on our crease underneath that transition shade we just applied. This is such a beautiful combination of colors. Honestly, you could add a wing and this could be like the perfect everyday look. So now to finish off this eye, we're gonna go into bronze and I'm gonna apply that all over my lid with my finger. I'm gonna blend out those edges. You guys, I messed up this eye and I had to do it all over again, but thank God this is such an easy look. It took me like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna do my lashes off camera, but I am gonna be using the Makeup Shack Dubai lashes. Also, if you wanted to, you could add like a pigment or a liner to this look, but I just want to make it super easy for you guys, so I'm just gonna go straight to lashes. Now for foundation, I'm going to be mixing in these two. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in the shade 300, and this is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Syracuse. Now for concealer, I'm using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Sugar Biscuit. I love this concealer so much. It's like it completely blurs out any imperfections that you might have. Now for setting powder, I'm using the Beauty Bakery Better Not Bitter Flower Setting Powder in the shade Yellow. I'm gonna line my waterline with the NYX retractable white liner. Now using the Sienna, the deeper shade we used in our crease, I'm going to sort of line my lower, line underneath that lower lash line. I don't know if that makes sense. You guys will see. See how I'm just lightly lining underneath the liner. I'm gonna smoke out the shade called Rustic on my lower lash line. This is sort of like a little deeper than the burnt orange that we used as our transition shade. Now to highlight my inner corners, I'm gonna go into Fairy, which is a gold. It's like a champagne gold. Now I have one last step for the eyes, which you guys are probably gonna think is extra, and to be honest, you could absolutely skip this step. I'm just doing this because I'm extra. So I'm gonna be adding the MAC Gold Holographic Glitter on my lower lash line. So now to bronze, I'm going to use the NYX Medium Matte Bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Peachy Love Blush Trio, and I'm going to use this shade right here called Nectarine. You guys, look at my ear. Somebody must be talking hella smack. Say it to my face, sis. Say it to my face. So for highlighter today, I'm using Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty. Now I'm gonna go over my face with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade Medium Tan. You know, I'm never gonna learn how to say that. I've just accepted it at this point. Now for lips, I'm gonna go into Arriba by Colourpop X iluvsarahii. So that is it for this easy holiday glam. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications so they're notified every time that I upload. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Remember, I changed my username. And I hope you all have a happy holiday.